Hey guys, what's up? My name's Face, and today I thought I would do a bit of a vlog. I have got videos that I could edit and put up, but basically I'm running out of time each week and I'm hoping a vlog will be a lot quicker for me. But yeah, I have been awake for about an hour now, just watching stuff on YouTube. And I've got like 45-ish minutes left, so I'm gonna go have a shower, body-wise, not hair, because I haven't got the time for that. And then I'm gonna get changed because I've got college today. Woo! So I've just gotten out the shower and I've just got changed into my outfit for today. So I need to put some makeup on because, as you can see right now, it's not looking the best. And although my glasses do wonders, yeah, I haven't really got anything. I don't know. I'm gonna put on makeup because I feel like it and I've got some time. So after what feels like a century, I finally got this eyeliner on. I swear to God, this morning's probably the worst day I've had putting on eyeliner. Like, for ages I was trying to sort I've been trying to sort this eye out, not realising I was making it worse because of the sunlight. So then I went over to that mirror and I realised like my whole wing had gone like that, whilst this one was still in the right place. So yeah, it's been stress. I'm gonna put some mascara on, then brush my teeth, pick up my breakfast and go, because I'm now running slightly late. Luckily I leave really early for college, or at least for today. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. So I am on my way to college now. I'm about 15 minutes running late, but that's actually not too bad, seeing as yeah, I don't start for like another hour and 45 minutes. I just like to leave 2 hours early, so that gives me time to get to college and sit down and relax for a little while. My hairs are just going everywhere this morning, and I've got hair falling out the back. That's great. But yeah, I really should have washed my hair when I had my shower, but I thought I didn't have enough time. Probably in the end would have been quicker just to wash my hair and let it dry naturally, but you know, oh well. But yeah, I don't know if there's a bus coming anytime soon because I haven't checked the bus times. There is a lot of people at the bus stop, so I'm going to assume that the bus is nearly here. Jesus, there is a lot of people. Okay, well that's interesting. Hey Maddie.
3.
What are you up to?
It's a magic number.
A wild Brandon appeared. Where is everyone? Where is everyone? Where is everyone?
There's Kane.
Connor.
Oh, okay, Angela, let's go for
Connor, you're scaring me again.
Where's Angela? That's Connor. And that.
I'm saying over.
That's Connor.
Hi there. Actually, no. Oh shit! I'm bringing out my foot in your arse.
Yeah. Why are you swearing? This is going in my vlog, Brandon.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh, fuck. Stop with the hands.
Not with the hands. Not with the hands.
Yeah, it's not very handy. Oh my God.
How you doing,
Ow.
I smoke 40
Hey, how you going?
today.
Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear. Tell you all the things that you like to hear.
How you doing? Let me whisper in your ear.
Oh, okay. So now I'm coming up my vagina. Whoa!
Whoa there, leg.
Oh crap!
Don't break
Okay. What happened to me just sitting here peacefully?
Nothing.
Wheel.
Don't! Stop! No! No! I will get up and cause the whole thing to be like a tsunami of people. Hey!
Lex is no longer the show.
Asian off my back.
So that's...
Not on your back,
Okay,
she's
no,
on your
shut
front. Hands on my back.
Shit alive!
I did not normally stroke your
I'm
phone.
trying not to grab your dick.
It's okay, that's my leg.
Lexi!
Okay.
Twit! I'm like coming on my knees! Like... ah!
Jesus Christ.
Everyone's making weird sounds, I'm scared.
I'm videoing his penis, I can't find his face. This is going on YouTube! Are you in there?
Yeah, I'm in there.
Okay.
Too bad.
Oh.
He's so ugly, we don't want him. Ah! I'm gonna get a dislike when people see Brandon's face. Hey, Lexi. Let's hope I don't drop your phone on my face.
Oh my God.
Let's hope I don't drop your phone on my face. Because it will definitely smash. No, please don't. Have it back.
I'm probably done
Have
smashed
it back.
already where it's looking at your face.
Have it taken.
Guys, my fucking... I'm on one leg on this thing. It's fucking...
Okay, we're fine now. I got the strap out. We lost the other Connor.
He's up here.
Oh! Oh my god. Ah!
I am everywhere.
Guys, I don't mean to be scary, but I need to fart badly.
I'm sitting right near your ass and I'm scared.
Why?
I can't get out. I'm stuck.
I need to fart badly!
I'm fucking stuck. I can't fucking move. Oh. My phone.
Can't be that bad.
Joke's on you guys, I didn't really, I just went the swing back. Hey boo. Hey boo. Hey boo. Hey boo. Hey boo boo. Hey boo boo. I got a boo boo. What? I got boo boo boo. See my belly. Oh, my belly. Navel porn. Can you not tell you other things like you would like to hear? Can I switch cameras? Oh, I can't. Oh, it's free real estate. And here we see the wild teens playing on their sports equipment that's punk related.
Connor looks like a paedophile.
And here we see Brandon shitting himself because he's got stuck. Dang it! I was hoping he would fall.
Language!
Language.
Steve Rogers says language.
Yes. Do you know what I realised the other day and it upset me?
What?
When Steve wakes up,
Oh,
he could realise that he realised he could survive crashing into sea and being frozen for 70 years, so he could have survived jumping off and going down with Bucky.
Yeah. Oh my god, but then both of them would have been captured by Hydra. I feel like we're gonna get.
I just want to say that Brandon tapped my ass.
Whoa! Brandon! You tapped that ass.
Tap that ass.
What kicked it, you know? Oh, it was a kick? Yeah. Felt like a soft hand.
That's
This is a hand.
savage.
This is a hand now.
He's
How
saying
handy.
your shoe is so soft.
Hey, legs. I mean, you have to be
Hi.
handy. I mean, you're called legs because you break your leg.
It's because you're so flaccid.
Yeah, because I'm so flaccid. Why is everyone making their way back over here? No!
It's time to annoy you. Yeah. We're in the video now.
It's going
Is this
on
for your vlog,
YouTube.
yes?
I farted.
Oh shit! I can tell you it's not.
I breathed in.
Oh, did you? Why is it right?
Breathe in, kiddies. Vitamins are in the air.
Just to let you know,
Let's
my
see, what's
mother
this
is
for?
right. Women's farts do smell like roses.
No, they don't. No, it doesn't.
Yeah, Maddie's experienced mine.
It might be because I have a blocked nose, but that's a different story.
Do you have a blocked nose? Can you put roses up your nose?
Right, that's just what we do.
What's the time?
I don't know. What is the time? Oh,
You get a watch, bitch.
it's 5 o'clock, so I still got half an hour.
Yay.
No. Oh, okay.
You just blocked me out of the image, Brandon.
I don't care, Connor. He spawned from in between us. But he's so
Ooh.
Oh, fucking hell, this hurts.
I feel like we're
He's
gonna
a
end.
fucking parrot. Who the fuck's touching my head?
My hair.
Connor.
Hi.
The only thing you can
Both
see
the Connors are touching you, Brandon. How do you feel?
I feel violated. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's not sure.
I just smashed my head on the fucking pole.
Legs.
Yeah.
What do you think of our hair?
I think it's majestic.
Thank you.
I feel like neither of you should ever cut it off.
I will never.
Maddie's over there spinning around.
Might give it a trim. Oh, Maddie's on.
I can't say much.
Maddie's on the
I cut my
stripper
hair all
pole.
the time.
Maddie's on the stripper pole.
I had a
That is
boy
very
haircut
true.
at one
Maddie
point.
is on.
Maddie's on Laura's stripper pole.
And here, I don't even know if I'm recording them properly, but here we see the wild Maddie at.
Legs, darling, you haven't broken your leg again, have you?
She nearly did earlier.
I need you to. I need you.
There goes the leg. There goes the leg.
I need you to go get me.
Hey!
Hey, darling.
I
You back it fast.
Poke you in the ear.
Don't you dare. Hey, little mama, let me whisper in your ear.
Oh, we're just sitting here
You
now.
would like to hear. It's free real estate.
Let's warm everyone up. I'm really warm.
Yeah, because you're on me and Lex.
No, I'm always warm.
Lexi, shift your
We're
mum.
making
Okay.
4 into 1. We're making legs really warm.
Okay. Oh, fuck.
Now she's warm.
Smile! Where's the camera button? Okay. Smile!
Into 1. I can't.
Okay.
I'm in one!
I took off.
Yeah, Kane! Has the video even seen Kane yet?
I don't know. There's a cane. Where's the cane? There's the cane. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Angela?
Are we getting food? Soon I'm hungry.
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. I
Who the
want food.
fuck is in
Did
front
I
of me?
just hear
Okay,
food?
hold on.
Yeah, you
People
fat
get
bitch.
food.
No,
They're
no, I
gonna
am
come
a
back.
fat bitch. I just hear food.
It was me.
Food.
No, you don't. Legs looks like she's got extra hair on.
Yeah, I do.
It's actually my hair.
My parents would be worried.
No, they didn't know what told us. It was
Yeah,
fine.
they would.
I'm thinking of mine.
It's like I've got
Your
cute.
back must be really warm because I've just been lying.
I don't think
against
I'm dying
it
of
this whole
blue.
time.
A little bit, yeah.
What the hell was that noise? No,
No, that was Angela.
I can see your channel just can be full of
buy
noises.
that for $1.
Yeah.
Could be fun.
This week's episode is just me just making weird noises.
I'm fucking watching all three.
Can I join?
Title done.
Mate, can I join? Because you know I
Loud noises!
Loud noises.
That's the title.
Can I join? Because
3
you know,
times because all 3 of us did it.
Legs, can we do a collab? Because you know I can do all the voices.
Don't fucking kill me.
You can blow it out.
Okay, but first you have to watch all my previous
But
videos.
first,
It's funny.
let me take a
Deal.
selfie.
You fucking shake the
You're
hand.
on me.
Shake the hand, Legs.
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 I know her.
That's the episode name. Legs.
It's her name. Are you going to change your YouTube channel name to Legs?
Slay you.
No.
Damn.
Everyone knows. Everyone do it.
Yeah, but every time I'm going to do a drama performance now, when someone says break a leg,
My right arm.
in the past when someone said,
Triggered.
whenever someone said break a leg in the past to me, I've been like, okay, they're like, not literally. Whereas now, just be like, I already have.
They haven't fed me.
You're gonna get food in a minute. Calm down. You went for her.
I knew you were gay, but like. How did you haven't fed me
They
either?
haven't fed me.
Should we go get food?
I got a plan, I got a plan, I got a plan, I got a plan, I got a plan.
Well, what's the plan?
Guys,
So, one.
Hey, Brandon.
Food!
You going to get food? Let's walk to get food.
come on, Lex, get up.
Stolen her phone. It's mine now.
She was actually sitting there because she had broken her legs.
Hence the leg.
This is now the Maddie and Connor show.
Yeah, it's mine.
The other Connor as
And the
well.
other corner. This is mine now. Sorry, Lexi. My YouTube account.
Oh shit!
My YouTube account. No, mine. Walkies. Ah.
This was a bad decision.
Here you go.
My hair's coming out. Ah.
Your life flashed before your eyes.
It was a very boring life.
If I'd known you guys would all been camera friendly, I would have had my phone out all day.
Hey,
Should have. It would have
hey,
been hilarious.
hey, Lexi. Lexi, come here, come here.
Is it even recording anymore?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. It went off a few minutes.
I don't even have money for food.
I do. I have all the money for food because I'm so fat. Why are we
Everyone
walking
knows
this
where I
way? The gate's this way.
What? No, what do you mean? I'm just gonna.
I said I was going to eat dinner before I got home.
Just look.
Gonna jump over.
My phone.
No, sorry, Lexi, it's my phone
Who
now.
needs to use a gate? Oh fuck you!
We do.
Don't push
Who needs to use it? Oh,
Don't push. Push.
Put on my phone.
360 no scope.
you're an idiot.
I am a disgrace, but a very good disgrace.
Just bring as a mistake, but yeah, sure.
Oh, I am a mistake.
I'm a mistake. My parents told me.
Oh,
Oh, wait, what?
have your phone back. I don't want to be part of this.
Are they not coming? Or are we leaving them and getting
We're
food?
coming back.
Oh, are we? Okay. Yeah. Where the fuck are we going to eat?
That was how I got my phone back. I said loads of dark, deep shit. That sounded wrong.
Where are we actually going?
No clue. We're going to go to McDonald's.
Are we going on an
Try and
adventure?
keep it get back.
Are we going on an adventure? Yeah, because I got to leave at 5:30.
Okay, so, yeah, so.
We're going on a trip.
Wait, not 5, you've got 20 minutes. Like, you've got 20 minutes.
Woo! Bye, doggy.
Bye, doggy.
That was, okay. My brain just stopped for a minute.
Actually, Connor means
I thought
dog
that-
lover.
It's all
Depends on which part.
What does Alexandra mean?
dipshit.
No.
Walk off and man just shouts out, "Oi, dipshit!" Just straight after what you said.
Sorry.
How you doing, Legs?
I'm sorry.
I will
Hey.
never call you dipshit.
You
Thank
just
you.
did.
You are forever known as Legs by me.
Woo!
Right, I need to do game design class with you, so I'm not going to be a dick. Maybe I will, but you know.
Yeah, you're a dick every lesson, so I just put on my music and he's like, "Oh, why are you ignoring me?"
Well, no, I talked to what's his name next to me. I don't even know his name.
Jack.
Yeah. I just talked to Jack.
They're called Jack and James, but I think Jack looks
Jack and
more.
Jill.
Jack looks more like a James, and James looks more like a Jack.
I don't even know neither of their names. You moaned the other day that the only reason I met you talked to me in class because you don't know their names. Liar.
I know their names now. I figured them out.
I never did.
I just.
the reason why most of us speak to Brandon.
My class?
I am now.
Plot twist.
Please join game design. You haven't talked to me.
That's because you annoy me whenever you do.
What do I do?
I'm trying to get on my work. I'm here to learn.
It ain't even just me. Jack does it as well. Whatever his name is. I already forgot.
I'm here to learn, not to burn the grades.
That's bullshit. And you know it. You're sitting there listening to spooky scary skeletons all fucking left.
Yeah, and I get work done. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Today.
I like how she's just
Hey,
focusing
but
the
I
camera
did
on
so
me
much.
and her.
Yeah, I'm just like I don't want Brandon to break the camera. Brandon's too far in front and Connor's behind me, so I'm not really catching him in the.
You're a jerk.
Yay!
It's Legs and her corner. Did you know I carry a spare hood everywhere?
Do you?
Hoodie everywhere. Look, just.
I wear the same hood every day.
It's like, you know when you go to the shops and you pull out a bag? Your back is like one of those things where you just pull it out and just like a hoodie appears.
Yeah.
It's
like
one
in
of
the
those
fruit
vegetable
aisle.
bags that has everything in it.
Oh yeah, give me
Come on,
some.
his bag!
I'll get the ladder out. I actually once brought a mini ladder in.
I've never, ever since
I
I
don't
got
know.
this hoodie,
Fuck
I've
my
never
license.
not worn it. I just shit you not, I've never not worn this hoodie ever since I got it.
I've been wearing this cardigan since Sunday when
You've
I found it, and I realised I could wear it because it's technically spoopy month.
Pretty much no matter where
Alright,
we
quick
go,
fire
I'll probably
reviews.
have to go anyway.
Quick fire reviews. What are we reviewing? Got to tell me something we're reviewing.
Markiplier.
Food.
Markiplier. YouTuber.
All is good.
I don't really watch him that much, even though he's a pretty cool guy usually. Rooster hair. There we go.
Congrats. I
8 out of
approve.
10.
I approve.
8
I
out of
was
10.
worried you were going to be like, oh, he's a shithole. I would have been like, nope, I'm done. Go away.
8 out of 10, yeah? 8
Yes,
out
that's
of 10.
cool. Okay.
I have a real serious question that is going to affect all our lives. When the fuck are we going to go eat?
Alright, next review. I got one for you.
Okay.
Me.
10 out of 10. We'll be best friends with again.
Right next.
Ruby! As in RWBY. Ruby.
Loved it. Shane Montague died. Kind of got taken over in a corporate situation. The fight scenes in the first 2 seasons were amazing. Third one had more fight scenes, but was not as well choreographed when Montague was alive. Therefore, first 2 seasons are good. If you like those, watch the third one.
Yeah, I need to watch the third one, but I kind of watched the last episode with my brother and then put off watching the third one
Yeah.
because of what happens in the last one.
Yeah. Basically, though, also fuck that ending.
They've got, yeah, exactly. The ending, that is what put me off. I'm like, no, she was one of my favourite characters.
Yeah.
But they've released the trailer for Volume 4 already.
Volume 4, I know. Alright, next review.
Brandon.
Brandon. Don't call him Brenda.
So you know,
Brandon, good guy.
yeah,
Dick twin.
yeah.
That's kind of a That's kind of a positive and a negative. So he's like a 7 out of 10.
Fairy tale.
Fairy tale.
Yeah.
Fucking, it's one of the long ones, ain't it?
Yeah. I haven't watched all of it, but I love fairy tale so much.
I don't have time to watch those. So yeah, I ain't really watching.
Oh, a very, very important one to me. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Bearing in mind we're right by a main
My
road.
Patronus is a wolf. 10 out of 10.
Fucking pissed. Mine is a mongrel dog or a black and white cat. I got like whenever
It doesn't have a fucking colour. Why do you
You can't be a cat. You break your legs.
Exactly. Like whenever I've done it before, I've always got like kind of like.
I expect you to be a horse. You know, when you
majestic.
break your leg, we've got to put you down.
Come on. Come on.
All around me are familiar faces.
Go, come on. We need food, woman.
All right, I'm on the other side now. Right. Next review.
Make your move.
This is a new part of your vlog. It's review time with Connor and his majestic.
Jacksepticeye.
Jacksepticeye. Don't want it to you, laddies. He's an Irishman like me.
lads.
Fuck off, Brandon.
I love Brandon.
Oh, other Connor. Help!
Ah,
He's pushing me into the road. Connorception. He's Irish, so he's amazing, therefore 10 out of 10.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, we're crossing the street. Okay, we can cross. As soon as I say we can cross, we get run over.
I'd like run into you.
Right.
Oh, ASDF movies.
Amazing. Tom Scott is amazing. SF movies are amazing. I'm friends with Tom Scott. My dad works with him every now and then. Wait, he's trying. Okay, he's trying to.
Triggered.
Okay.
What is
What it is because of the whole thing with disabilities and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, because Tom Scott's work is like adored by people with autism everywhere. So,
Yeah.
yeah. Right, next.
Did you like Markiplier's in like the newer videos as well? It's great.
Oh, cool.
Like, where's the little baby? There's the big baby.
Yeah.
That's his voice.
That's
I was
his
like,
voice.
"Ah!"
All right, next review. Let's do some films and shit. I don't know. Yeah, it's up to you. Games, whatever.
Borderlands 2.
Borderlands 2. Loved it. Improved on Borderlands 1. Didn't get improved on much after by the other games. But Borderlands 2 is amazing.
Yeah.
Handsome Jack, hands down, one of the best villains ever. I don't even know if you can really call him a villain.
Trust you know. I love that game so much. And like, I watched a playthrough of Borderlands 2 before I played Borderlands 1. And
Yeah.
I was playing it around my friend Harold's. I
Yeah.
can't play Borderlands 1.
Yeah.
It's too slow paced and not enough story for
basically,
me.
review for Borderlands 2 is play Borderlands 1, then Borderlands 2. What? Right.
Ah, fuck, son.
Right, next review.
Captain America, as in between the first one, Civil War, and Winter Soldier. That's not in the right order.
Alright.
I haven't either, so
Okay.
don't spoil it.
Can I just say?
I've seen it.
I fucking hate Captain America.
He's just a shield.
Yo, no, name his reason. Name his
Iron Man.
Iron Man, I love him. Tony Stark, he becomes an alcoholic in the comics.
Does he?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, they cut it out of the film.
Although he kind of goes that way slightly in
It kind of goes that
Iron
way.
Man 2 when he starts to think that he's not gonna like live.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it didn't go into it as much.
Yeah.
Continue.
I know.
I
guess we're walking until they stop the recording.
Harry Potter books or movies?
Books.
Thank
Where
you.
they go.
You have your mother's eyes, Harry. The actor actually doesn't have the mother's eyes.
Actually, they were trying to give him the right colour eyes, but when they put contacts in, it actually had like an allergy to it.
Yeah,
So that was why they couldn't do that.
exactly. You have your mother's eyes, Harry. No, I don't.
Wouldn't
Yes,
you, in
you
that
do.
case, like just make it so the mother has the right colour eyes for Daniel Radcliffe?
But no, because it was based on the books.
Yeah, I know, but if he couldn't wear the right contacts,
Just made the mother wear the contacts. I don't know,
yeah, that's what I meant. Like,
but directors.
yeah, that's what you get when you have like 4 directors.
Yes. Continue.
I really can't wait for Fantastic Beasts. I'm just,
Yes. My sister would love you. Apart from the hair. My sister just likes it when people have the same colour hair as
well,
well.
I want to dye my hair grey.
Yeah, when you have it grey, you're alright.
Yeah. Other Connor,
Other Connor, what's this question?
review each other. There'll be a Connorception.
Review Connorception, right?
Contraception.
Conception. Alright, amazing. It's Connor.
Use conception, kids.
He's Connor, I'm Connor. I'm Curly Whirly, you're Bouncy Wancy.
I'm Paula Connor.
Oh, triggered.
You know, I was gonna call you Paula Connor until you called yourself Paula Connor because that's not cool.
I may be Paula Connor, but it's
Having fun, Lex.
Oh, I like you. Yeah. Plug it in back.
How come we walk so slow and left college there?
Because we're slow.
Because we're recording.
You're recording though.
Yeah, I
Let's see
know.
if we can get Mitchell again.
20 minutes, almost.
Yeah, almost.
Do you remember the other video?
Wait, show Mitchell.
It's gonna be interesting.
And here we see a wild Mitchell edging closer
Recording.
to the video.
Where are you?
Oh shit, it's green.
We're going into Starbucks.
Look, T.
Tea?
Tea.
Oh, spiffing.
Tea reimagined. It's actually poison.
It's spiffing. Yeah.
Quick jump in.
Say hi, Mitchell. Okay. Perfect.
Next.
Hey guys, so this is probably the end of the vlog now. I'm just really tired. It kind of scares me a bit because I'm always fucking tired. And I don't know why. This isn't really the best position for me to be laying in. But you know. Sorry about that, it cut out and I don't know why. But yeah. If you like this video, it would be rather spiffing if you gave it a thumbs up. And subscribe if... What is this strap doing? Like, maybe if I just... No, that didn't work. Okay. I'm the most unladylike person you'll ever meet. But yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, it would be rather spiffing if you gave it a thumbs up. Because thumbs. Woo. And if you want to see more of my shenanigans, then go ahead and subscribe, because I put up a video every Thursday, without a doubt, even if it slowly kills me inside from my tiredness. What are you gonna do? And yeah, if you want to see my previous video, which was me playing Hunger Games Simulator with Harold, and I had so much fun doing that. I really enjoy doing videos with friends, especially when it's my best friend. So yeah, it's up here. And hopefully this time I've learnt from my technical issues before to put it in properly and not me draw offline. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!